Okay, Blondie, so this is how we sort the shipping out. So at the moment we'll go on to a product just to show you something. Use this one. Okay, as you know, you're familiar with this screen, I imagine, after adding all those products. So here on the shipping tab, you'll see something called a shipping class. Free is something I've just created, and I've applied that to every single product in the store now. It was done a different way before, but because we're doing different prices for different items in terms of shipping, we're now having to do this way. So everything now has got a shipping class as free. Every item you add from now on, you're going to have to set this shipping class. At the moment the only option is free. I'm going to show you how to make a new shipping class and specify how much the shipping is for that class. Basically what a shipping class is just basically a way to group items together. So if you have a group of items that you want to charge £3 for shipping for, you can create a shipping class called £3, and then basically all you do is come to the edit product screen and then you just select the £3 option and click update, and then whenever that item goes to the checkout there'll be £3 added on for shipping. So to get started, what we need to do is under products here on the left, shipping classes, click on that, and then you've got add a new shipping class. So here we'll click on the name, and just like I said before, for example, £3. £3, £3. Okay, so let's type it in here and here, but where it says slug, as it says here, make sure there's no spaces. I mean, this doesn't get shown on the site, it's just for our reference, but like I say, it's just numbers and letters in this one that says slug. So £3, £3, leave that as none, no description needed, add new shipping class. As you can see, we have the £3 shipping class. Just for example, I'll make another one as well. So £5, slug, £5. Again, no spaces, nothing there, nothing there. Add new shipping class. We've got £3 and £5. So that's great, but now we need to tell the system how much that this is going to be £3 extra and this is going to be £5 extra, because these are just the titles. So what we need to do is go on to our WooCommerce and then settings. It might be tempting to change other things on here, but I wouldn't recommend it. Click on shipping at the top and click on flat rate here. Again, try not to change anything else on these settings, it can really cause a lot of problems. It's much better if this is something generally left to me, but the shipping classes I'm sure you're more than capable of doing. So like I say, settings, click on shipping and click on flat rate. Ignore all the rest of here. The only bit we are concerned with is this shipping class bit down the bottom here. So at the moment we'll set this one to free. So the shipping class free costs nothing. You can put a handling fee in if you want, but we won't in this example. Okay, so now we've got one here that says £3, so we'll just put the cost in as 3, and now we need to make another one for the £5. So here, just click on add cost, £5, and let's type in 5. As you can see, nice and simple, and you can use any kind of numbers or any kind of titles here. I've just chose these for ease of the example. So we'll save the changes to this, and that is by clicking this Save Changes button down here. Click it again, and you'll get a message saying settings have been changed. So now let's go back to our product and try and add this shipping class just to check everything's working as it should. So for example, this duct tape. We'll click edit. Actually no, that's a draft product, we won't use that. We'll use this week. Okay, and again down here, shipping, and let's say we want to charge £5 for this week. And again, this is just £5 for the shipping, obviously, not for the actual week. And then click update. And there we have it. So the product's updated. Let's view it. As you can see, nothing's changed on here at all. It's all the same. But let's just add this to cart. Okay, what did we added? N1, wasn't it, I think? No, it was the Virgin Remy. Okay, I'll just get rid of these. Well, actually, no, I'll leave them here to show you, actually. So at the moment, these two are on free shipping, and this one is one we just changed for £5 shipping. So as you can see down here, subtotal flat rate shipping of £5. This is per item at the moment, so if we wanted to have 2 of these items, shipping is increased to £10. And as you can see, if you get rid of this, then remember these 2 that are already here are ones that we haven't changed. These are still set to free shipping. As you can see, it now says free shipping. So that is how we will utilize the shipping system, so you can choose the prices you want for all your products that need to have some kind of shipping charges to them. Like I say, by default now they are all free, and just do as I've shown you, create a shipping class, and each shipping class can be used more than once, I should say. You don't need to create a shipping class for each individual item. You can just create that £3 class, and then everything you want as £3, just use that same class. And then if you want the £5 class, again, everything you want as £5, you can use the same class. You don't have to create a class for each individual item. You can use the same one, and it will apply the same amount to the £3 or the £5. So that's how that is done. I'd say fairly straightforward, I guess. It's a bit more in depth maybe than what we're used to so far, but I think, I mean, with your current level of knowledge of WordPress and the amount of time you've spent on this, clearly putting all these pictures and products on, I think you'll have no problems with this. But if you do, just give me a call and I'll help you out where I can. Okay, thanks, Bondi.